Hello everyone, so this is a new blind box. I haven't seen this before. I've only seen this on AliExpress. It has like a little QR code with a scratch here that you can, I assume, verify. I'll check that out later, but this is so new, like I don't think anywhere else has it, and I doubt that there are fakes for this just because like it kind of just is way too new for this. And also it doesn't seem like it's made really for a Western market. There's a little bit of information here, but it's very, very standard. And this is the Dimiemie Amazing Seasons plush. I believe that they have a Instagram that kind of showcases these guys, and they kind of look like glossy in their photos a little bit. Some of them look glossy, some of them don't look glossy. So it's interesting. It's supposed to be a plush pendant, and the shipping has been crazy recently, so I've been getting a lot of like crushed packages, like really crushed packages. All right, let's see how this looks like. Okay. Oh, I can feel that there's a card in there, so let's quickly go over all of these. Which ones do I want? Actually, I like all of them. They're super cute. I probably would like the fox the most, or the secret. So fox, secret, but honestly I like all of them. All of them are fine. I'm like okay with all of them, but we'll see. All right, this is the packaging. Oh, it's so cute. There's a little ram on the front. It says Amazing Seasons. Okay, let's just get into it. All right, I saw it. Oh my god. Oh, he's kind of cute. He's kind of fat. His arms are long. Oh yeah, this is what I was talking about. It's like quite glossy. Like, yeah, it's like there's a almost like a pearlescent finish on them, which is really, really fun. Oh no, what happened here? Is that a mark on his face? Unsure. I don't think it is. I don't feel anything there, so maybe it's fine. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like a, is it the bunny? Oh, it's like little ginkgo leaves. Oh yeah, it's stuffed. Super cute. Let's turn around. Oh, it has a little tail. Oh, as a serial number, the bottom here, as well as on this hand. And then the hands have a little bit of blush. This is what the tag looks like. It has a Dimiemie. And then they sewed it a little bit weird, funky there, but okay. And then at the top here, it just says Dimiemie again. And that. Super cute. Let's take a quick look at the card. The card looks like this. Summer Holiday. And I don't know what it says at the back. So this guy, Summer Holiday. Very cute, very cute. Let's actually see if this matches anything, like the thing here. I'm just gonna, oh no, just brings you to a full QR code. That's all. All right, so I'll check this and I will write in the description what it is. It's probably going to be like a WeChat or something like that. I don't have WeChat, so I won't be able to do anything with that. But here you go. So I would say this is super cute. I would probably recommend this. Green is one of my favorite colors, so I really like this. Yeah, I'd give this like a 7 out of 10. Obviously, like these things could be better manufactured, but I really like the pearlescent finish. Then there's like embroidery. There's quite a lot of details in it. So yeah, they're all movable, but they're not like loose. Can't really move the arms, right? Nope. And it has a tail and this little bib, which is removable if you wanted to take it off, and then they can be free and naked. Yeah. Oh, and 2 different colors here. Love that. Yeah, I'd give this like probably a 7 out of 10. It's not super expensive. These ones kind of like maybe like $20-ish, 25. So like pretty worth. He's so cute. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Oh, it's me again, sorry. I realized I sniffed it and it smells like detergent, but but in a good way. Like it smells clean. So they're scented. That's so cute.